Okay, I am back for auctions, and today we have this lot of model engines for parts, repairs, and it looks like there are a lot of good engines here that can be restored or fixed, or I can say that I can get for parts some of these, and that will be really good. So we wait, we have 10 seconds to the end, and my maximum bid is $26.99. I used to wait until the last 2 seconds so I don't give them a chance to react, so that way they will not increase the bid. So I am the winner on this lot, and right here you can see how many bidders were here. 4 bidders including me, and fortunately I won the auction. And let's take a look the pictures again so we can recap and see what models are included. There's a lot of model engines here. Yeah, a lot of good parts. There are a lot of good parts here, and some to be modified or repainted. And this is really good lot for $26.99 plus taxes plus shipping. It's not really bad for me. It's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay. Very good lot this time. As you can see, I can confirm and pay. And the price you can see down here, $26.99 plus $20.30 of shipping plus taxes, and we are done. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.